dear learners. Today we are going to take the topic of making project for PTS 4, PTS 5, PTS 6. The students or the learners who are doing Bachelor Degree in Tourism Studies, BTS, they are supposed to make 3 project reports during their second year and third year. So this is the project guide which you will receive from Regional Center Khalini Shimla or the other learners from Himachal Pradesh. This is the same guide which is given to all the learners who are doing Bachelor Degree in Tourism Studies. Alright. So most of the queries come from the students about how to make these projects. Today I will give you few guidelines that how you have to make this project. If you have not received this guide, you can request your regional center to send you the same. This comes along with your books, other books like TS1, TS2, TS3, TS4, TS5 and few other courses which you are having with BTS course. Now I will show you one performa which is very important. This performa is inside this guide, This is called Project Proposal Proforma, and you can see there is a address at the end of this page. You have to send this Project Proposal Proforma on this address with the signature of your supervisor, I mean the subject teacher or the tourism subject teacher at your college where you are having your Sunday classes. But these days there is Corona lockdown, so we are sharing this video with you. Now, this project proposal means in a way you are giving a small presentation that you are making project on this particular topic. Alright, so you can tick in this performa PTS 4 or 5 or 6. In this guide, you will get another performa which is the first page of the project report. So you have to send this project report of 50 pages on different address at IGNOU Delhi, and synopsis will be sent at the different address which is already mentioned on that particular format. Now I will show you few other pages about this. This is the address for the query in the same guide. Now we will start how to make these projects. This is the address. You can see submission of project report, right? So you can send your project report on this address. Now we will start with PTS 4. As you can see, there are many topics which have been mentioned in this guide on PTS 4. So that means you can make your project report on Indian culture. You can see various topics mentioned on this page number 11 of this project guide, right? Now PTS 5, you can take any of these topics which is related with ecology of India, environment of India or environment, ecology and tourism of India. So either of these topics you can take for making PTS 5 project, right? Now PTS 6 is about tourism marketing, and here also it has been mentioned on these pages that you can choose any of these topics for making your project of PTS 6. Now the very first thing, when you start making synopsis for this project, the very first important thing is that you have to choose the topic. Topic means in a way you are writing a small book or a small journal on one topic, right? Project proposal means that you are giving a introduction of your topic and how you have worked, how you have done research on this particular topic, from here where you have written something on this topic. Right? So in this same guide, we have information what is a project, what is the project supervision and proposal. Proposal means synopsis. Then how your supervisor is going to help you. Now when we start making of your synopsis, we have to decide one topic, right? Then after deciding on that topic, we will look for the review of literature, right? Now we will go to next page. Now how to decide one topic. So on this page number 7, there so many topics has been mentioned. Topics are also mentioned on page number 11 also. So you can go through with this page properly and you can make your introduction part. So while selecting your topic, you have to consult with your supervisor or with your the seniors in the group. Now when we are taking any topic, we have to research. Research means again we will write something new on that particular topic, right? So we are not supposed to copy somebody's project which have already been submitted by anyone else. Instead of that, we have to put our own efforts, right? Now the type of research is different types. You can see from this page. Most of the studies which the bachelor degree students are doing, they are doing exploratory research and quantitative research, right? Now you can write down this 8-step model for planning a research study. The very first is formulating a research problem. Here you can write the topic name. Like you are studying adventure tourism in Kullu and Manali, or adventure tourism at Rohru and Shimla district, or any other topic you can take. You can take heritage, you can take tourism potential, you can take flora and fauna, you can take wildlife, you can take culture, you can take fair and festivals. There are many choices which have already been mentioned in your guide, students. So after deciding the topic, you have to write the introduction of that topic, right? So the very first is introduction. Introduction should be for 3 to 4 pages. Second is review of literature. Review of literature means which all books you have studied or you have searched on Google that have helped you regarding the same topic. Suppose if your topic is like flora and fauna of district Shimla or any other district of Himachal Pradesh, then you have to study, you have to go to the library, or you have to check from Google that how many books has been published on flora and fauna of Himachal Pradesh or a particular district. Then you have to study particular chapter and the page number. So you have to make the references of the same. So that means review of literature includes name of the book, name of the writer, and the year it has been published. Now you have to write abstract of that book. That in this particular book, on this page number, it has been mentioned from page number this to page number this has been mentioned about the flora and fauna of this particular district, right? You have to give reference of at least 10 to 15 books. Plus, in review of literature, you can give reference of other journals. Journals are published articles which are published by the research scholars, like the students who are pursuing the PhD or the other professors who are already working for the universities and colleges. So whatever books they have published and are related with your topic, you can give their reference. And one thing very important you must note down here, that whatever references you have given of the name of the writer, name of the book, the year published and the publications, please make a note of this, because this is going to be the last page of your synopsis. The page is called references. Please check all these details from the Google, that how do we make bibliography or references. So now we have discussed about 2 steps. First was introduction, which should be of 3 to 4 pages, and second is review of literature.